Product number 5, Intex EasySet 13-foot pool. We have the Intex EasySet 13-foot by 33-inch above-ground pool, retailing at $120.99. This option offers a bit more space and is still incredibly easy to assemble. Just like the 10-foot version, it's ready in about 10 minutes, which is fantastic when you're eager to dive in. With a capacity of 1,926 gallons, this pool is perfect for larger gatherings or just lounging on hot days. Its puncture-resistant material ensures that it can handle the fun without easily getting damaged. Plus, the included 530 GPH filter pump helps maintain clean water efficiently. This pool is also well-loved, with over 200 sold last month. On the downside, some users reported that it can be a bit unstable if not set up on completely level ground. But here's the thing, if you prep your area well, this pool is a solid choice for summer fun. This is perfect for you if you have a bit more space and want a pool for larger gatherings. Skip this one if your yard isn't completely level or you're after something smaller. To wrap it all up, we've covered some fantastic options for budget.
Product number 1, Zenclesi's 10-inch slim subwoofer. We have the Zenclesi's 2025 upgraded 10-inch 1200-watt slim under-seat powered car subwoofer. With a price tag of $93, this one caught my attention for its compact design and impressive power. If you want powerful bass without sacrificing space, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This subwoofer delivers a peak power of 1200 watts, ensuring you get that deep, punchy bass that makes any drive more enjoyable. It features a frequency response of 20 Hz to 150 Hz, which means you'll hear those low notes that really bring your music to life. Plus, its built-in amplifier and aluminum construction offer excellent heat dissipation, so you won't have to worry about it overheating under your seat. Now, some people complained about installation being tricky. Here's the thing though, if you're not comfortable with car audio systems, it might take a bit of time to get everything set up perfectly. But if you're willing to learn or have a friend help out, this subwoofer is a fantastic choice. This is perfect for you if you want great bass and a compact design. Skip this one if you're looking for something bigger and more powerful. For the price, you're getting excellent value. Now, if the compact size of the Zenclesi's bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with more traditional setup options.
Product number 2, Polk Audio PSW10 Subwoofer. We have the Polk Audio PSW10 10-inch powered subwoofer, priced at $249. This one really stands out because it promises big bass without taking up too much space. If you want a solid home theater experience, this is worth a serious look. This subwoofer features a dynamic balance woofer that delivers accurate bass depth. It also offers 100 watts of power, which is great for small to mid-size rooms. The frequency response of 40 Hz to 160 Hz means it handles everything from thumping music to action-packed movie soundtracks without distortion. Plus, it's designed to blend seamlessly with other Polk speakers, which makes it easy to integrate into your existing audio setup. Now, some users pointed out that it can be a bit boomy if not properly calibrated. But here's the thing, if you take the time to adjust the settings, the sound quality is top-notch, so it's really about putting in a little effort for big rewards. This is perfect for you if you're setting up a home theater system and need that extra bass. Skip this one if you're in a very small room or if you prefer a wireless setup. For this price, it offers solid performance for home audio. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for an under-seat solution.
Product number 3, 7-Tour 10-inch slim subwoofer. Then we have the 7-Tour 10-inch upgrade 800-watt slim under-seat powered car subwoofer listed at just $77.88. This caught my eye because of its budget-friendly price and slim design. If you're tight on space and cash, this is worth a serious look. With a peak output of 800 watts and a frequency response reaching up to 500 Hz, it delivers solid bass while fitting conveniently under your seat. The aluminum construction not only helps with heat dissipation, but also adds to its durability. The included remote control allows you to adjust the bass levels so you can customize your sound without fumbling around with your stereo. However, some users mentioned the sound quality isn't the best compared to more expensive models. But here's the thing, considering the price point, it's a great value for anyone who just wants an upgrade from factory speakers without breaking the bank. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly subwoofer that doesn't take up a lot of room. Skip this one if you're looking for audiophile level sound. It's a solid option for the price.
Now, if you need something more powerful for home audio, this next pick might just hit the mark. Product number 4, PreSonus Aris Sub 8 BT, priced at $209.99. This one is intriguing because it offers Bluetooth connectivity, which is perfect for modern setups. If you want wireless convenience in your audio, this is worth a serious look. The Aris Sub 8 BT features an 8-inch front-firing woofer that delivers clear, accurate sound down to 30 Hz, making it ideal for music production or gaming. Its Bluetooth 5.0 capability means you can easily connect your phone or laptop without worrying about messy cables. With multiple input options and tuning controls, you can customize your audio experience to fit your space perfectly. Some users have noted that the bass can be a little underwhelming for some genres, but here's the thing, it excels in providing clarity, which is crucial for mixing and mastering music. If you value accuracy over sheer power, this subwoofer is fantastic. This is perfect for you if you're into music production or want a solid audio setup without clutter. Skip this one if you want earth-shattering bass. For the price, it delivers great performance in a compact design. Now, if you want something that brings the power for home theater setups, the last one on our list is a great contender.
Product number 5, Rockville Rockshaker 10. We have the Rockville Rockshaker 10 Black 600-watt powered subwoofer at a price of $144.95. This is appealing because it hits that sweet spot between power and affordability. If you're looking for solid bass for your home theater, this is worth a serious look. The 10-inch woofer has a peak output of 600 watts, providing thumping bass that's perfect for movies and music. The MDF enclosure is designed for durability and helps reduce distortion. With adjustable crossover and phase controls, you can tailor the sound to fit your space and preferences, ensuring a customized audio experience. However, some users have reported that the sound can be a bit muddy if the settings aren't adjusted properly. But here's the thing. Once you find that sweet spot, the sound quality is impressive for the price. This is perfect for you if you want a powerful subwoofer without spending a fortune. Skip this one if you prefer a more refined sound. It's a great value for home theater systems. The Zine class offers great value for compact spaces. The Polk Audio is fantastic for home theaters. The 7 Tour is budget-friendly for cars. The PreSonus delivers accurate sound for producers. And the Rockville brings powerful performance for movies. Each has its strengths, so pick what suits your needs best.